Hello, I am Radha.
I am Dr. Vatsal. I worked in DRDL Hyderabad for nearly 15 years. Then I retired from Delhi as a director of DRDO.
I am Maithili, mother of Radha. I am a housewife.
We were initially living in a 2-bedroom house in Vidyanagar. We've always been looking at buying a 3-bedroom house, but we were not sure of where to buy and which builder to trust. And when we were looking around, one of our friends suggested us about this Padmanabha residency which is being constructed in Padmarao Nagar. So we just came and we looked at the apartment, we looked at the site, we looked at the plan, and we looked at other apartments of Shanta Sriram, and we were convinced by a flat with Shanta Sriram Constructions. This house and this locality is very peaceful. It's away from the main road.
Even though the location seems to be a little inside, it has within few minutes you can come to backside of Gandhi Hospital.
It's extremely peaceful. It is serene. There is a temple close by, and there are all sorts of facilities like grocery stores. There is a nice walkway around the apartment complex to take daily walks. So this house has excellent facilities. The quality of the tiles or the sanitary things that have been used are very nice. We have a separate dining. We have been able to realize the dream of having a modular kitchen in this house with chimney and different modern facilities. We've been able to get good quality woodwork done, and now this house seems like the dream house that I wanted my parents to live in. After the house was close to being finished, we finally had a great day of performing the Graha Pravesha Puja of this house. Close friends and relatives who came by and who congratulated us for this success and for this new beginning. They were very impressed by the Shanta Sriram constructions and the flat and different facilities that the builders have been able to provide.
They have got some guest houses, guest rooms. In case some additional guests come, they can accommodate them very close to their house.
Many of our friends and relatives really appreciated the quality of tiles or the quality of even the smallest thing like taps that were installed in the house. Our kitchen is really huge, and many people loved the kitchen, the spacious kitchen that we had in our house. Some really liked my bedroom, which is small and cozy and wonderful. Some of the relatives liked our master bedroom and the balcony, and many of the relatives liked the locality, the path around the building, and just the atmosphere and the peacefulness was highly appreciated amongst all our friends and guests at the Graha Pravesham.
Shanta Sriram has gone to provide solar water all the people. It is in fact the current technology which we don't have to spend more money in electricity bill. Car parking has got 2-tier car parking, underground and over, so that it is not very congested. Outside vehicles are able to come inside up to the lift to drop the people. Number of lifts they have provided at various places to reach the flats. The social environment they have built, like having a gym and social club, and also getting all these amenities. It is like a gated community, and it is very useful for retired people like us who want to spend their retired life peacefully. So in that way we thank Shanta Sriram.
I am very happy to have this flat. My kitchen is very spacious, and all amenities are there. More cupboards and kitchen sinks, vessel cleaning place, and everything is as planned by Shanta Sriram.
That dream of making my parents live in a very comfortable house got realized with Padmanabha Residency and Shanta Sriram Constructions. Thank you so much, Shanta Sriram, for helping me in making my dreams come true.